Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, ventilated front seats, rain sensing wipers, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.